Damn, Kareem.
ده 240 ده 240
Make sure it's on safe. Make sure it's on fucking single shot.
Ready?
ارجع حبيبي بنا انا وارجع. مالها يا هي
ما بي عبيه ما بي
حجي
نعم سيدي.
سيدي هاي ما يقبلون والله. كل من يجي يستلم
Actually, on a daily basis, you can pretty much notice like the power of it. You know, I mean, every time we roll out of the wire, we have vehicles with us all the times, and I mean, we're living with these guys 24/7. So we're eating with them, washing clothes with them, working out in the gym with them. So the relationships you develop with these guys, and I mean, this is kind of what a true partnership is all about, because they essentially like they're part of the platoon now, you know, and there's not really a discrepancy between USF and ISF on a daily basis. Not just on a mission in sector, clearing a Mohala, but you know how we do our PCCs and PCIs before every mission, and how we do our load plans on our vehicles, and it's all about the little things. And I feel like that's what sets us up for success going out on missions and whatnot, and that's what makes the USF different than the ISF. You know, we have so many years of practice in knowing what things work and what doesn't, and I think they're able to see that with a program like this, whereas it's really hard to be able to see that kind of minute detail and everything that goes into it when you're not living with us 24/7.
يعني ما واجبي اللي وياهم كعريف اطلع ويا الجنود مالتي ومالتهم. الشيء الثاني ماكو فرق بين انا عريف عراقي واكو عريف امريكي، لا انا عراقي امر الجندي الامريكي.
I said honestly, there wasn't anything special because the whole experience was really special to me. I said, and what's really the thing that I really liked is the way that treat me as a sergeant, as an Iraqi sergeant. It's like the same way they treat their sergeant too. So I really like that way.
العريف الامريكي امر الجندي العراقي.
I said, I sometimes like I see some American soldier did something wrong, so I can tell him that you did something wrong. I said because the sergeant, Sergeant Griff and Sergeant Nas, they told him to have that power. I said, and the same thing with me. And if one of my soldiers did something wrong, I said, Sergeant Griff and Sergeant Nas, they would punish him as well.